for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever.
So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and in case you were wondering why it's taken me so long to film one, go ahead, like my Facebook page and my Instagram account where I'm very active, and I've let you guys know exactly why it's taken me so long to put up a video. So follow me there, and let's communicate and enjoy your orange peel powder and make the most of these beautiful, beautiful nature's gift to us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notifications icon so that you are notified of every video that comes out. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and let's stay in touch and find out what's happening in my life every day. Until then, keep glowing, keep it simple, and enjoy life.